Hello, what's up? G'day from Pattaya. Time to have a look at a villa. So the last video was a one bedroom condo in Jom Tien, 10,000 baht a month. A lot of interest in that. That's amazing value, 43 square meters. But a lot of you want 3 bedroom or 2 bedroom, and it's about time I showed you a pool villa. They call them villas here, even though it's a house, but it's a gated, secure community. But let's go inside and have a look. So here's your pool, nice and deep. Got some nice palm trees. That's the master bedroom there. And covered parking. It's got an electric gate, remote controlled. And this one is pet friendly, which is nice, but it's 35,000 baht a month. But plenty of room. A 3-bed, 2-bath. Look at the size of that TV. And that's the aircon there. Whoops. Kitchen. Oven, double door fridge, that's pretty good. 1 bedroom. Wow, that wallpaper's a spin out. A single bed in here, and a desk and another lounge. One. So anyone looking for a house rather than living in an apartment? I lived in a condo or an apartment for nearly 2 years before moving to a little house in Soi Khao Nui. You've got access here straight into the pool. $35,000 a month. What's that in US? About 1,000. So 3 times the price of the 1-bedroom condo at Jom Tien, but you get 3 bedrooms and a pool. Your own pool. And there is a washing machine just there. There'll be a map on the screen, and it's down just past Jom Tien on Sukhumvit Road. Shower. What do you think, guys? I'll jump in the car and show you around a little bit. So I just confirmed pool maintenance is not included, but you're looking at about 1,500, 2,000 baht a month to get someone to come and look after it. Some exercise equipment and kids' playground there. That's where we had some food once. The temple, Wat Yan Temple.
Yes.
So down that direction there's some really good food options which we've shown in a video. Little mum and dad shop there. Get some beers if you need them. Shouldn't just talk about beer, other things, essentials. So from that house or that villa to Jom Tien Beach would be 15, 20 minutes max, I think. There you go, there's one 7-Eleven right there. Not too far away. So anyone got any experience or live in a villa in Pattaya or Jomtien or Pattaya or the dark side, Bang Sarai, the lake? Let us know what you think. You prefer living in a house or a villa or a condo? So probably the closest beach access to here would be Ban Ampur. Starts to Ban Ampur Beach, you know where that is. Very nice there. Here we are, Sukhumvit Road. Anyone know where BMW is on Sukhumvit Road? Down towards this junction up here to turn left to go to Khao Chi Chan. If you turn left at that sort of traffic lights, that's Khao Chi Chan. Go straight ahead, Bang Sarai. BMW and Mini just there, MG over there. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also do me a favour, if you use Facebook, follow Good Vibes Pattaya on Facebook. See you soon.